Hello, hi. Assalamualaikum. Okay, we are going to learn English. Hari ini kita nak belajar bahasa Inggeris. Cikgu harap murid-murid cikgu semua bersedia. Are you ready? Okay, before we start our lesson, we are going to do a routine. Okay, letak tangan, buka jari kamu, tangan kanan dan letak di bahu kiri. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, children. Okay, what day is today? Today is Tuesday. How about the date? 9th of February 2021. How about the weather? It is sunny today. Very good. Okay. We are going to remember. Kita nak ingat balik what we have learned before. What sound that you have learned before? Bunyi apa ya? Ya. Jom kita dengar. Kita sebut 5 kali. Let's sound it 5 times. Very good. For apple. For aeroplane. For arrow. For alligator. Very good. Okay, now I would like to introduce to you the new sounds. Okay, let's do it together 5 times. Okay, jom kita dengar macam mana ya kawan kita buat bunyi. Ya, tutup mulut kamu rapat-rapat dan sebut bah. Bah. Okay, let's do it 5 times. Bah. 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 Very good. Bah is for ball. Yes, bah is for ball. Bah is for balloon. B is for blue. And B is for bear. Okay, after this, you can do the module that I have given to you, Explore Alphabet. Okay, read and trace B. B for B. Okay, do it 2 pages. This page and also this page. And then do the exercise on book 7. Okay, before this, kita lupa nak tulis yang ni kan? Okay, buat dulu yang hari tu lukis gambar apple. Macam yang cikgu buat ni. Okay, jangan lupa ya buat garis. Tulis hari dan juga tarikh. Tulis sendiri. Kamu dah kena belajar tulis. Okay. Tulis tulis 5. Okey, kalau salah mesti betulkan. Padam dan tulis balik. Okey, sebelah lagi tulis yang kita belajar hari ni. Yang ini kita belajar dah minggu lepas kan? Okey, hari ni kita belajar tulis B. B for ball. Jadi lukis gambar ball. Apple ni jangan lupa warna ya. Okey, lukis gambar ball. Dan write B. Kalau salah, betulkan. Tulis 5 B. Kamu buat lebih cantik daripada cikgu. Kalau salah, padamnya. Okey, pandai. Very good. Okay, at the end of the lessons, children are able to listen to and repeat greetings. Good morning. Macam cikgu bagi tahu, good morning children. Dan awak kena jawab, good morning teacher. And recognize sound out letters of the alphabet. Okay, kemudian don't forget, snap your worksheet and do the exercise book 7, apple and also ball. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.